Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading room for Wednesday, February 12th. Today we had 4 possible trades in the ES. Second trade, even though only a couple people took it, it was a little bit quick. We'll say 3 trades really, but I'll let you know what happened on that one because I know only a couple people really had the opportunity to get it realistically, and we try to be as honest in here as we possibly can, and accurate in our recaps. Now the first trade came right at the open. What happened was I came in the morning, before the market even opened. I put my circle up here, and I said that the market needed to go there, even though it was a couple, 3 ticks away or so. At this point right here, before the market opened at 8:30 Central Standard Time, I said this is where they want to go. So I said we have 2 options. Market's opening up. We either have to hold our noses and dive in right here at 17.25, or if you want to wait, we risk missing the trade and see if it will pull back a little bit more. But I said there was a good chance that it wasn't going to, and if they took it up, they'd probably take it up right in the first candle. For those of us that were in, and there were a lot of people in the room that were in, I said if you want to take it, just take it smaller size, meaning if you're a 3-lot trader, take it with 1 or 2. 4-lot trader, take it with 2, something like that. 17.25 was the price, and it went right up to the target. Now once it got up here, I said if you have anything left, if it gets above 20, 18.20 for a candle or 2, we were going to 2.25 to 3.25. That was the next target, and that's exactly where it went. This was up here. As soon as we closed above here, this circle, I put my next target up, which was up here, and I said that's where the market's going. Most people got a couple points. Realistically, if you had more contracts, a couple people did hold it up to here, but most people will say a couple points on that one max, and they were out of the trade. Now when the market came back down, we had a short here on this green candle where this dot was. I just put a dot instead of a arrow because not everybody really had the opportunity to get it. It went a little fast. I did mention the trade 18.20. I said it could come up a little bit more, but again, same deal as here. I mean, the market's just basically straight up today and then straight down. Didn't really offer us any good, great opportunities as far as excellent pricing and things like that. But I said that I don't think they're going to go above 20. They could, but the best thing to do if you want to take the trade is just dive in at 20, and they should be able to take it down. The price I gave was 18.75 to 18.25. It did go significantly lower than that, but again, we'll just say a point or 2 on that one, 1 to 2 points on that one, and that was a nice little trade for those that could take it. The next trade came here on this green candle where this red down arrow is right here, and the price was 16.50. The time was 9:54 Central Standard Time. And so we got to get this one right, I said, because they're going to make one more push down, but I want to make sure we at least get filled, we can profit. Or for those that want to hold something, get into a risk-free situation. So we got short at 16.50. Everybody was in profits, and either you were out with a point. When it came back up here 2 or 3 candles, I said if you want to get out at break even on your last one to guarantee yourself some green, you can do that. Once it started getting to these 2 candles here, I said just take it off if you want to, or if you're going to just go for a total break even on the trade. Again, it depends on how many contracts people have. If you took 3 off at a point and you were holding 1, you still would have made profits. So we'll say a point because that's all it went anyway, and that was a winning trade there. Method creator Sam Goldberg came in the room, and he called the trade at 5.25. And again, this is one where he just literally kind of hopped in the room and saw it. He called the trade. He wanted it to just go, so we managed it tightly. He said get short at 5.25. Once you get a point, go to entry, which is a little tighter than normal. But normally we go minus 3 ticks or so, 4 ticks, and see if we can get to the next targets. But he said 1 point. He said that it should be able to get down to 18.13 to 18.12. That's exactly where it went. Most people got a point. So that was a nice little trade as well. So we had 1 to 2 points here, 1 to 2 points here for those that took it, a point here, and a point up to 2 or 3 points on here. That was the day. Four trades called, 4 winners. Realistically, 3 trades that most people in the room I know were in. That was the day. We're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. And until then, happy trading.